আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আশা করি আপনারা সবাই ভালো আছেন। আসলে চেষ্টা করলে সব সফলতা হয়, এটা দেখাচ্ছি। দেখেন, একটা বাচ্চা, ছোট্ট একটি বাচ্চা ক্লাস 4-এ পড়ে। সেই বাচ্চাকে আসলে মানে যেভাবে দেওয়া হয়েছে সে অনুযায়ী মোটামুটি একটা বেসিক তৈরি করে ফেলেছে। আশা করা যায় ভুলভ্রান্তি হবে, এটা বেটার না। সে যে বলতে পারছে এই বয়সে যে প্রতিদিন সে কি করে সেটাই আজকে ও ইংলিশে বলবে। আশা করি সবার ভালো লাগবে। তো বরাবরই বলে থাকি, ইফ ইউ লাইক দিস ভিডিও, যদি ভালো লাগে অবশ্যই ফলো করবেন, সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন। বাই। তো শুরু করা যাক আজকের বিষয়টা। সো ফার্স্ট কোশ্চিন, হাই, হাউ আর ইউ?
I'm fine, and you?
Oh, I'm also fine, thank you very much. So please tell me now this time, what do you do every day?
Sir, thank you for asking. First of all, I wake up early in the morning at 6 a.m. After that, I make my bed and tidy up. After that, I take my brush and brush my teeth and wash my face. Hands,
Please speak
leg,
loudly, speak. It's jore bolo.
hands, leg. After that, I have breakfast. Then I go outside for a walk with my mother. After walking, I come back to home and put my school dress.
Put on.
Put on my school dress and I go to room and wait for the
After going to
road and wait for the car. When the car arrives to near me and I go to school and put my
After going to school
and put my bag on the bench and I go to field. After going to field and I play football, cricket and talk to my friend. When I hear the sound of the bell and I go to classroom and our sir
comes to classroom.
Our sir comes to classroom and teach me. Our sir goes to office room and Khairul sir comes to classroom and teach me. Khairul sir goes to office room and another teacher teach me. After school vacation, I go to road and wait for
After going to
road, I wait for the car. When the car arrives to near me and I go to home. After
going to home,
I take a shower and move my head. After that,
whip mane mosa, whip my head.
With my head. After that, I have lunch. Then I just go to field and play football, cricket and talk to my friend. The 6 p.m. I go to home and wash my face, hands, leg. After that, I put my nappy, study, and after that I watch my TV and I have.
After watching TV, I have dinner with my family.
After that, I go to home and
I go to bedroom.
I go to bedroom and sleep.
সো সবাইকে অনেক অনেক ধন্যবাদ যারা এই ভিডিওগুলো দেখতেছেন। আসলে ব্যাপারটা হচ্ছে, সে এই বয়সে যে দেখেন 3 থেকে 4 মিনিট সে ইংলিশে অনার্গল বলতে পারতেছে। সো এটা আরও ইমপ্রুভ করা দরকারের। So now this time I ask you, please tell me, what is the name of your school?
My school name is Knowledge Guided School and Academic Care.
And especially again I ask you, please tell me what is the name of your English teacher?
My English teacher name is Khairul Islam.
Good, thank you very much. And where are you from?
I'm from Chaskor Bazar.
What is your father name?
My father name is Liton Kormukar.
What is your mother name?
My mother name is Sriti Kormukar.
Wow, thank you very much. And what's your brother's name?
My brother name is Nirav Kormukar.
Wow, fantastic. Thank you very much. Okay, bye. See you again. Okay.